Happy toy for you.
Jerky, that's the trick. Now going on down. Sashay, sashay, sashay around, boy, hold on down.
For a circle in the middle, everybody yelling Andy.
Boys keep tempo with the fiddle, and your gal in the calico gown. Down in the calico gown.
Don't see it all around, it's time to go fancy.
Don't some more, and maybe she'll fall.
Now it's time to do your honors, and when you come through your honors, call again.
Hold down. It's good, it's so down. It's hold down. It's really a rare day. Great job, but I bet you can be much louder. Come on, everyone. 1, 2, 3. E-I-E-I-O. Excellent, you got it. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the cream of the crop for this year's pageant. From Sweetwater County, Miss Feed and Grain. Miss Feed and Grain loves horse riding and horticulture, and judges have noted that she's a woman of high moral fiber. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm there was a gal, the prettiest gal I know, with a little curl here and a little curl there. This gal, she had curls everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hailing from Calico directly is Miss Fruit and Vegetable. Miss Fruit and Vegetable is the apple of her mother's eye and loves corny jokes. And though this gal, she had a dance, E-I-E-I-O. And how this dance would knock 'em out, dancing to and fro, with a little wiggle here and a little wiggle there. Man, this gal can dance anywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. From East County comes Miss Derry Jersey. Miss Derry Jersey just moved here. She loves calculus and going to the movies. When she went walking into town, E-I-E-I-O. The local gentry popped their eyes. Tarnation, what a show! With the gold egg here and a gosh on there. Heading to that McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Please welcome Miss Meadow and Stream. Miss Meadow and Stream is no plain Jane. She loves needlepoint, and her real name is Brock. There was a buzz of barn dance Saturday night. E-I-E-I-O. And the fellas came from miles around just to see her do-si-do. With promenade here and promenade there, I swear yes, and his gal's no square. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Next up is Miss Blossom and Bloom. Miss Blossom and Bloom recently transplanted here from Arizona. She keeps fit by pedaling to work each day. I used to be a traveling man. E-I-E-I-O. Until I hit McDonald's place, things were mighty slow. With a little gal here, a little gal there, I didn't have a real gal anywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
And finally, it's my honor to present Miss Chicken Coop. Don't call her a chick, cause she's very high on the pecking order. This farmer's daughter knocked me out. E-I-E-I-O. I asked McDonald for her hand, and Pappy hollered go. With a little girl here, a little wiggle there, double thing here, and cross on there, a do-si-do here, and a promenade there. Got our own bracket county there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Folks, it looks like we have the last minute entry. Please welcome to the stage Mr. Bart and Drew Snoopy.
No dogs allowed. Charlie Brown, your dumb dog is ruining everything. Doesn't he understand the rules? No dogs allowed. I've got dog germs. Gross.
Sorry, pal. You know the rules. Maybe we shouldn't have named the hoedown Snoopy's Boysenberry Jamboree. Good grief. Charlie Brown, I have important news. Not now, Franklin. I'm watching those clouds over there. But Charlie Brown... Not now, Franklin. Those clouds could rain on the show. Charlie Brown! It could pour on us right here without any warning. It could...
Uh-oh.
What was it you wanted to show me, Franklin? The weather report. Rain. Now you tell me.
I have learned to smile when skies are gloomy. Smile although my heart's about to break. When I know that trouble's coming to me, here's a happy attitude I take. Though April showers may come your way.